How to add image overlay in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open DaVinci Resolve and create a new project or open an existing one. You will then need to import the image you want to overlay. To do this, go to the Media tab and drag your image into the Media pool. Once your image is in the Media pool, go to the Edit tab. Drag your video clip onto the timeline. Now, grab your image from the Media pool and drag it onto the timeline, placing it above your video track. This creates a new video tracks for the image. Next, adjust the size and position of the image by selecting it on the timeline. In the inspector window, you will see options to scale, rotate, and reposition the image. You can move the image around to fit it exactly where you want it on the screen. If you want the image to appear for only a specific part of the video, trim the image clip by dragging the ends to the desired duration. You can also apply a fade in and fade out effect by adjusting the opacity in the inspector. Finally, once you are happy with your overlay, hit play to review it. If everything looks good, you are ready to render your video. And that's it. Now you know how to add an image overlay in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.